Ithusa abaningi inkulumo kangizwe Mchunu esabalala enkundleni yokuxhumana lokho kulandela imashi kade iseThekwini mangabe veza ukuthi basetshenzisiwe nophakathi umthakathi basebenziswa uJacinta ukuthi anyukele phezulu mangabe esephezulu ebesenza lokho akwenzayo. Mlaleli wami ngiyabongelela kuphinda kuphi la kufinya khona lo musa njengamanje uma usuku lakho lokuqala lanxa uthenza ukulungile upress usubscribe button upress no like kuze njalo mase kufaka amavidiyo kube wena oqala othola i-notification. Bafowethu ungizwe usekhulume okuthusa abaningi njengoba ke egcine kuveza ukuthi yena wancengwa esayidini waphinda futhi wancengwa in public kahle kahle imashi ikhona nje yayingakaze ihamba abantu abangaphezu 20 estradini kodwa ke uJacinta walokho abancenge ethi impi yamadoda lena benophakela umthakathi njengoba ke ephinde wachaza okuningi okwenzakalile ngaphakathi noma ke okuyikhona okwenzeka ngaphakathi. Abantu abaningi abaneliseka ngendlela ungizwe wakhulume ngayo noma ke bafile ngazi ukuthi khona akufihlayo mangabe ke echaza lezi zinto. Ngaphandle umusho wesikhathi sakho mntana sekhaya asingene kuyona ke ivideo kangizwe ekhuluma kwimashi ebikade iseThekwini namhlanje ukuthi uthini.
That is a shame to Jacinta. It's a shame to Jacinta because she have ruled her own family and she thinks she can rule everyone, and I never met even one meeting with her. And now she will see the real truth of umhlaba. Ngiyakutshela mina asebexakile eyobuya futhi zena kodwa kwamanje ngoku-insult abangi-insulte ngayo mina nginezinto ey'juleleyo engizaziyo ngabo that I never announce in public because ngikhulile. Emveni kwalokho I decided to be quiet and also to tell them straight ukuthi umuntu akayihlule yodwa indoda yakhe ayihluleke angahambe funa ukuhlula wonke umuntu. Mina nje nophakela I can confirm that we have been used ukuthi someone must climb the ladder and then silibambele thina and then when you reach the rooftop and then alikhahlele ladder and then in human nature no, I'm not saying that but I'm saying what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Is that when someone climbs the ladder and kick the ladder while you are holding the ladder, that is the biggest betrayal of them all. And then you allow the person to cruise as they cruise and hold different meetings as they wish. You don't say anything, just one meeting. Then the whole country becomes shaken. Ngimdala kule nto mina ngikade ngangikhona nangu unrest ngangikhona ngingakwazi ukulenza iqiniso lapha lenza khona ngabhekana nezimpi ngayinqoba namanje ngikwazi ke mina experience enginayo bese ngizodlala izingane engakaze zibone ngisho nje umnyango we police station kunjalo.
Ngicela ukubuza nje ukugcina umbuzo ngacingwana bazokuthatha nabanye ozakwethu mawuthi nina nophakela umthakathi you were used ushuthi nathi you were used how by who?
By Jacinta.
How?
She has been begging us for several times to join the March and March. March and March was about not more than 20 people marching on the street. She has been crying out privately and publicly ukuthi into yamadoda asibeze machine. And then mase kube inkosi yamalukujana lapha mangimtshela ukuthi mina yazi abangithi siye lapha nathi ngikhuluma noNdabandaba abothi siye lapha eEastern Cape what ayasiye wenza iposter yena wayizaba ngoba iMarch and March yale eEastern Cape yayizothi ngasathi nayi kulungile ngoba mina ngifuniwa ibrand yayodwa phakela walwa yena wathi hayi insizwa nomsizwa washo waqima angazi insizwa nomsizwa nani namthi ngicabanga lokusuku lentombi nomntombi foundation. So manje and then ngathi mina no professionally ibrand yeMarch and March asibe under yona. You are happy or you are not happy. Ongisho babona ukwethu wangilalela sahamba sa Eastern Cape sayixosha inkosi yamaGwalekwe emveni kolokho the rest is history. The whole South Africa was shaken and the March and March was highly successful against illegal immigrants. We has been supporting March and March. So now our support is no longer important and is no longer relevance, so she must remain on her own and she must go back to lead issue enze yonke into ayenzayo and aqoqana kubantu abaqoqayo adle nezemali ayitholileyo. Mina engizinye engizaziyo ukuthi uyithole kuphi, yabona, ngaphandle nangaphakathi, aqhubeke enze yonke leyo. Mina ngeke ngingahambe ngikhuluma into engingayazi ngoba ngathi manje Cyril hlala la, Madlanga hlala la, Jacinta hlala la, Phakela hlala la, and it's an insult that unomongameli ohlele carry back of money. So mabe mthuka political, bamthuka political, yabona. Mina ngiqala ukuhlangana nomongameli. I've met Thabo Mbeki, I've met Nelson Mandela, I've met Zuma. Mawuhlangana noZuma kuthiwa wow usikhonzele kubaba, akushiwo ukuthi uzomnika imali. Mawuhlangana noThabo Mbeki kuthiwa mzizi, academic president. Mawuhlangana noCyril kuthiwa khona uzobuhle. No 2014 nayisho lento wathiwa mina ngidle imali u-15 million, kodwa ngithe mangishelwa izindlu atholakala izindlu zotshala. Ikhona inja engathola u-15 million lihlile nawo kwakha nje noma kuthiwa nje i-subsidy eyodwa nje. Ngoba mina lo ngazalwa kaze ngisebenze, lo ngazalwa mina kaze ngihole, lo ngazalwa mina nje akakaze nje ngidayise imbuzi kube khona engikutholayo. Abafazi bami bonke ngaxhaswa, abafazi bami bonke abe-corruption, imizi engayakhile, imisebenzi engayenza phambi kobaba omkhulu yonke ye-corruption. So South Africa, you must wake up and stand for the truth. The truth shall set you free and it will help you, even personally, in your own bed, that you must know, Guti, when you want likes and you want relevance against other people's name, you are on your own because you shall die, and dying lying while other people are speaking the truth and respecting their ancestors.
Thank you very much, my son.
We love your guys. We love the whole three of your.
Isilo samamandla wonke umpoka phesha naphuma esiqewini ubisizulu kazona ithini indlela mithi amakhosi yiyo kanye khombe uRand Shantzen yokuthi eziqiniseko sokuthi wonke okuthintana nohulumeni kuyalunga, konke okuthintana namahostela ney'nkinga emahostela, iy'nkinga ze-plumbing njengoba itheku nje idayise i-plumbing idayisela abangani babo, seyilungisa konke leyo nto leyo. La eThekwini lezindonga njengoba se-expire nje, buka lana itheku le-expire itheku manje. Njengoba le-expire nje sidinga uku-renew-ywa with a good leadership. Kubalulekile ke lokho. Into ebalulekile eyokuthi njengamanje bafowethu aqinisekise ukuthi ama-memorandum mayenzeka ayaresponda, mayengarespondi siyahlangana siyalwa until siyanqoba futhi anithi. Injalo kanza kwethu mina njengoba kumele amabhinqa onke akhonjwa isilo, uRand Shantzen wakhonjwa isilo, sizolwela inhlabathi nenkosi yamaqadi njengoba sikhona nje ney'nduna zasemaqadini, ishilo yakuthi umhlaba wamaqadi awubuyele emaqadini. Injalo kanza kwethu sicela konke lokho sikwenze njenge-Kaizer Chiefs, sibe ngabafana bokuthula noqobo, asilwi konke sikwenze ngokuthula. Siyabonga kakhulu kanza kwethu. Yini uhlanya lolu uye lo nehlathi zakhe nenkani yakhe nabafazi bakhe abade uthi hulet decide now awukusasa uyisele umsebenzi abantu bethu mama bethu, uyisele amabhizinisi abantu abamnyama, uyisele abantu emsebenzini. Ngalokho ngibhilidi bazifuna ukukotela thina.